Hello and welcome to Learning Made Easy. In this video, we will be discussing lymphoid organs, their types and functions. So, let's get started. Lymphoid organs are an essential part of the immune system. These are the sites where the maturation and proliferation of lymphocytes occur and help to carry out various immune functions. Lymphoid organs form a part of the lymphatic system composed of lymphatic vessels, lymph nodes, and lymph. They are broadly classified into two types: primary and secondary lymphoid organs. Primary lymphoid organs include the thymus and bone marrow, while secondary lymphoid organs are further classified as highly organized and less organized lymphoid organs, which include the lymph nodes, spleen, MALT, GALT, CALT, tonsils, and adenoids. Let's talk about primary lymphoid organs in detail. Primary lymphoid organs are those in which immature lymphocytes are generated through hematopoiesis. These immature lymphocytes then react with antigen with specificity to produce an immune response and are called immunocompetent cells. Bone marrow, thymus are examples of primary lymphoid organs. First, let's talk about the thymus. The thymus is a small gland located in the chest, which plays a crucial role in the development and maturation of T cells. It is flat, bilobed organ situated above the heart. In infants, thymus weighs about 3 grams. At puberty, it attains its maximum size, weighing about 30 grams. With age, the size of thymus decreases. Each lobe is surrounded by a capsule and is further divided into lobules, which are separated from each other by strands of connective tissue called trabeculae. Each lobule is organized into two compartments: the outer compartment, cortex densely packed with various thymocytes, and the inner compartment, medulla sparsely packed with thymocytes. Thymocytes, immature T cells, pass through defined developmental stages in specific thymic microenvironments as they mature into functional T cells. Thymus is a specialized environment where immature T cells generate unique antigen receptors, TCRs. 95% of thymocytes die through apoptosis. Because of gene rearrangement, they either bind to self-MHC peptide complex with too high affinity and release cytokines against self cells, or cannot recognize antigen-presenting cells or have too low affinity for self-antigen MHC combinations. T cells mature in the cortex and migrate to the medulla, where they encounter macrophages and dendritic cells. Here, they undergo thymic selection, which results in the development of mature, functional T cells, which then leave to enter the peripheral blood circulation, through which they are transported to the secondary lymphoid organs. It is in these secondary lymphoid organs where the T cells encounter and respond to foreign antigens. Now, let's talk about the bone marrow. The bone marrow is a spongy tissue located in the center of the bones. It is responsible for the production of different types of blood cells, hematopoiesis, including B cells, which play a critical role in the production of antibodies. Site of hematopoiesis: marrow of long bones, like femur, humerus, ilium, and sternum. Bone marrow is tightly packed with stromal cells and hematopoietic cells. With age, fat cells gradually replace 50% or more of bone marrow compartment, and efficiency of hematopoiesis decreases. B cells of bone marrow produces 90% of immunoglobulins. Elimination of self-reactive antibody receptor-bearing B cells occurs in bone marrow. Bone marrow is not the site of B cell maturation in all species. In birds, B cells undergo maturation in the bursa of Fabricius. In cattle and sheep, primary lymphoid tissue hosting maturation and proliferation and diversify of B cell occurs in spleen. Later, this function is assumed by Peyer's patch embedded in wall of intestine. So, that was a brief introduction to lymphoid organs and their types. In this video, we talked about primary lymphoid organs, including the thymus and bone marrow. We hope this video was helpful in understanding the basics of the lymphatic system. In our next video, We will discuss secondary lymphoid organs in detail, so stay tuned. Thank you for watching, and if you have any questions or feedback, please leave them in the comments section below. Keep studying and stay tuned for more exciting videos from Learning Made Easy.